Ladies and gentlemen and Gravit graphic designers, we're going to do the tutorial number 202. But before we do, I missed some stuff yesterday because I only get a 5-minute window to do it. So here's some notes from yesterday. So yesterday we used the pen tool. It's also the Bezier curve tool, and it's great for doing accurate lines and beautiful accurate curves. So make sure you get this in your notes for yesterday's tutorial, or O1. And then the stroke color is the outline color, and the stroke weight is the thickness of the line. So make sure you get those notes down. Okay, so here is what we're going to do. We're going to learn to use a shift key to constrain lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to me, the teacher, and we're going to go to Creative Computers, and you're going to open this thing. You're going to click on it or open it in a new tab, either way you want. And you're going to find, so this is Gravit O2 tutorial. And so you're going to click on that link, and it's going to get you to where you want to go. And as usual, make sure that you click on this and make sure it's you, because you want to be able to get to all your work. Okay, so this is me. All right, so this is my document here. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, it was shared by me. Close this, and you have to make, this is mine, and you can't work on it. So now you have to make a copy. So you're going to go File, Save to Cloud As. You're going to go into, if you haven't already done so, make a folder called Creative Computers. Inside there, make a folder called Vector Tutorials, and we're going to call this Gravit O2, and then you're going to put your name in it, and then you're going to hit Enter. Okay, and so the idea again of this is to work on doing perfectly straight lines. So we're going to, first of all, we're going to zoom in over here a little bit. So we're going to zoom in. We're going to use the hand tool, move here. We're going to go back to our trusty pen tool, which makes beautiful straight lines. And so what you're going to do is you're going to copy this, but you're going to use the Shift key. So you're going to click, and watch what happens. If I can go anywhere I want, but on the keyboard now I'm pressing the Shift key, and it constrains it to 45-degree angle. So I'm just going to hold on to the Shift key the entire time. It's going to constrain this to be at nice angles. And I'm going to put it right there, and then right there. Okay, and then I'm going to press the D key to click off. And then as usual, we're going to go to our selection tool. We're going to select it. We're going to go scroll down here. We're going to increase the border thickness. We're going to change the color to red or whatever color you want. We're going to go to the advanced. Oh, I get clicked off of it. I'm going to go to the advanced border options here, and I'm going to change it to a round cap and a round joint. Now remember, this right here, what we just did was called that we changed the stroke thickness, the stroke weight, and then we also changed the stroke color. Okay, and so we're going to do the exact same thing down here. Okay, so we're going to follow that same pattern. So we're going to go to our pen tool, and we're going to hit Shift, and we're going to click, 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 and create the same pattern. And again, press D to get out. And you're going to make sure you change the stroke weight and the stroke color. And that's it. So make sure you save your work whenever you're done. And then you're going to share this and turn it in through Canvas. So you're going to go File, Share File, and you're going to click on Copy. And then you're going to go to the Gravit tutorial, and in Canvas, you're going to submit that assignment. And down here, you're going to see where there's a website URL. You just press Control and V and get that, and then hit Submit Assignment. And that is it for number 2. Good job, guys.